Hi everyone and welcome. If you are new to my channel, please click on the subscribe button. Today we are going to see the review of the Mars Face Palette. So this is the All I Need Makeup Palette from Mars, and this is of shade 01. And this is one of the best face palettes which I have seen. This costs you around $2.99 as per this price tag. But however, there are a lot of discounts available in Nykaa or in the Mars website where you can get it within 250 or 240 rupees. So this is the palette. It's got a blush, a highlighter, a contour shade, and 9 different shades of eyeshadows. This is a lovely palette, all-in-one palette, and it is highly pigmented. Let me try this palette now, starting with the blush, highlighter, contour, and with the eyeshadow shades. I'll start with the contour shade now. So this is the contour shade. I have already applied foundation on my face, so this is only a final touch up with this face palette. So you can see this is like really pigmented. I hope you can see the difference. This brush is from Swiss Beauty. It is an angular contour brush. I'll take a smaller brush to contour my nose. So this is giving a really good finish. I really love this. Now I'll use this blush. I'm using a blush brush from Swiss Beauty again. Considering it to be a little pigmented, I have taken less quantity. So first let me dab it on my skin. Then I'm blending it. You can see how pigmented it is. So you can see how good finish it gives you. Now I'll use this highlighter. I hope you can see. This is also really pigmented. So I'm applying it on my nose and all the high points. Okay, so now let's get on to the eye makeup. I'll use this shade for the transition shade, and I'm using this Swiss Beauty blending brush. This one is blending in really well, and the shade is also really good. Now I'll use this in the corners of my crease and the outer corners. I've taken this smaller blending brush. Now I'll use this light shade in the inner crease. So I'm going to use my fingers for this. So you can see how pigmented it is. Now I'll blend it again completely, so all the colors are blended well across my eyelids. Now I'll use this shade for my lower lash line. I'm taking a small pencil brush. Now I'm taking the highlighter. I'm applying it in the inner corners and below my eyebrows. And to complete this eye makeup, I'm just using this mascara from Mars. So this is the Double Trouble mascara. So it has two steps. One is for length and one is for volume. And this is for volume. You can see the difference. It is like applying false lashes. So it would look like you have applied false lashes. So this is the completed look with the Mars face and eye palette actually. Also, I have done a full face of Mars cosmetics, so you can have a look at that video. So I have used only Mars products and created a makeup look, so you can definitely have a look at it. As I said, Mars has a lot of affordable products, and all the products which I've used in that video is under 400. So it's definitely worth the buy, and the quality is also really good. So please do have a look at that as well. So this is one of the really affordable palette which you can buy, and all the shades are really pigmented. So this is the All I Need makeup kit from Mars. This is of shade 01. There is another shade as well. You can try any of this. The shades in this are really good. So it's all of, as I said, it's all the nude and brown shades. You will really love it, and it's definitely worth buying this product, and it is definitely affordable as well, so you can give it a try and see how it looks. So that's about the Mars All I Need makeup kit. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please click on the like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a great day ahead.